billions of roast turkeys made before they reach luxury hotels.
Turkeys arrive from regulated farms in climate-controlled transport crates.
Inside the holding area, birds rest briefly to reduce stress before processing.
Each batch is inspected and digitally logged for full traceability.
Approved birds are released into the automated processing system.
The process follows strict animal welfare and food safety regulations.
Scalding loosens feathers for efficient mechanical removal. Rotating defeathering drums remove feathers without damaging skin. Head and feet are removed using automated cutting systems. Internal organs are removed under tightly controlled conditions. Each carcass is thoroughly washed with potable water. Inspectors verify cleanliness and structural integrity. Rapid chilling brings temperatures down for food safety.
After chilling, every bird needs strict temperature target.
Turkeys are graded by weight for consistent hotel portions. Brine is injected to enhance moisture and flavor.
Tumbling evenly distributes seasoning throughout the meat.
Each turkey is shaped for even roasting.
Short resting allows flavors to stabilize before cooking. Roasting happens in controlled steam and hot air ovens. Cooking parameters are monitored continuously.
Each batch reaches the required internal temperature.
Controlled cooling preserves texture and safety.
A light coating enhances appearance and moisture.
These whole birds are now ready for hotel specifications.
Packaging protects freshness during transport. Air is removed to extend shelf life.
Final safety checks ensure product integrity.
Labels provide full traceability for every turkey.
Finished products move into cold storage for hotel delivery. Rapid freezing locks in quality before long-term storage.
Frozen turkeys are stored by batch and destination.
Inventory systems track every turkey in real time.
Orders are picked specifically for hotel contracts. Pallets are stabilized for safe transport. Transport vehicles are pre-chilled before loading. Products are loaded without breaking the cold chain. Each shipment is sealed and documented. Refrigerated transport keeps turkeys at safe temperatures.
Deliveries arrive through dedicated hotel service docks. Hotel teams verify seals and documentation.
Products move directly into refrigerated storage. Turkeys remain sealed until preparation.
These turkeys are used for premium banquet service. Thawing happens slowly under refrigeration. The turkey arrives fully cooked and sealed.
Hotels gently reheat without overcooking. Packaging preserves juices until service.
The final presentation highlights consistency and quality.
From factory to banquet, quality stays controlled. Uniform roasting ensures clean, even slices.
Guests receive the same consistency every time.
Few diners realize how controlled the journey has been.
Behind every roast turkey is a precise industrial process.
From farms to factories, hotels, control never stops.
This is how large-scale roasting meets fine dining.